I'd like to welcome everybody here today, people from the chamber, our lenders, our staff and doctors, our builders, the Economic Development Commission. We're just so happy to be here and be expanding and growing our business. This year marks the 65th year of Junaluska Animal Hospital. I don't think there are very many businesses in Haywood County that can claim to have been in business that long under the same name and conducting the same type of business. That's not to say that we haven't had to adapt over the years. We've changed from being primarily dairy and workhorse practice to being a companion animal practice, and we continue to change and morph to meet the needs of people from Haywood County and the surrounding area. Our latest iteration being the addition of emergency services in the form of Haywood Animal Emergency, the brainchild of Suzanne Chanchuli, our practice manager. And with that, we're adding a new level of service to everybody in Haywood County as well as points west and in the general region. So we just thank you, and we thank the builders that we have for their design and building expertise to help us get through this project. We thank our clients and our patients for putting up with the dust and difficulties that we're going to have. We thank our staff for being in the pinball machine, we call it, where we're bouncing off each other so close together. Because we know that the ultimate reality is we're going to have the finest facility, the best equipped, and providing the best service of any animal hospital in the region. And we're very thankful for that. We're thankful to our Lord for providing for us and looking after each of us. Very thankful to my two partners. Without our cooperation and our vision, this couldn't go forward. And we just thank you all for being here today to help celebrate with us.
Thank you, Dr. Schneider, and certainly like to echo his comments. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for taking time to join us. Every time we have these shovels in hand and there's dirt below us, it's progress. And so we congratulate you on your 65 years of being here. I'm definitely changing with the times, and on behalf of the Chamber, the Executive Committee, which I am a member, and all of our members here at the Chamber, and also for Mark with the Economic Development Council, we are extremely proud to have you in our community. We thank you very much, you and your partners and your staff and your clients, for making those evolutions, if you will, to stay in tune with the needs of our county. We are a growing county. In fact, the other day I was kicking off the Chamber's Leadership Haywood, and it was amazing. Out of the 15 people who were participating in Leadership Haywood this year, there were numerous ones who have just moved here, and they were young people starting their career or in the middle of their career. So that's wonderful. So thank you again. Thank you, everyone, for being here for this auspicious occasion. So again, Dr. Snyder, for you and your partners and your staff, we welcome you, and we wish you the very best. And if there's any